Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Angel Coin. Angel Coin got this amazing project. So we discuss more detail about this project. Before waste your time, I am starting the video. Welcome to Angel Coin. Angel Coin, the first spiritual cryptocurrency, and next guys you can join the pre-sale of this project Angel Coin. So guys you can click this button and see this page is loading. So guys you can check here Angel Coin token pre-sale page is open. You can check here start price 0.0050 USD. You can see this project phase 3 start now. So guys you can participate now, then you can share application with other. Current price of this phase is 0.023 USD. Pre-sales ends in 64 days 9 hours 35 minutes remaining for this pre-sale ends. And next guys you can check here option 1 connect wallet, MetaMask or wallet connect. If the transaction does not process automatically after connecting your wallet, you can send BNB manually to the contact address below. You can check here contact address. You can copy this contact address now. You can see this Angel Coin will be automatically credited back to your wallet based on the amount of BNB sent. You can check here contact address. You can only send amount Binance Smart Chain Network BEP20. Ensure your wallet support BEP tokens and is connected to Binance Smart Chain. Sending funds from wallets or networks not compatible with Binance Smart Chain may result in lost funds and cannot be recovered now. So guys you can see this. So first of all you can connect your wallet now, and next guys you can see this option to generate QR code for payment. So guys you can click this and then you can select network. You can click this and see your currency now. So guys you can select network currency in BNB. You can enter your BNB amount, then you can receive Angel Coin token. For example, I enter BNB amount 1000, then you can receive this Angel Coin token amount. You can check here. So guys you can generate QR code for payment, and next guys we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. You can check here balance Angel Coin of smart contract. You can check here smart contract address, token address, current balance. You can check here, and next guy we discuss Angel Coin, the spirit of community and a new era in cryptocurrency. Welcome to the official website of Angel Coins, a cryptocurrency that offers more than just an investment opportunity. Angel Coin is designed to support community, personal growth, and harmony. This unique digital currency embodies values that reflect love, collective well-being, and a connection to universal energy. And next guys you can check here why I choose Angel Coin. Number 1, values and philosophy. Angel Coin is not just another cryptocurrency, it is an asset rooted in the principle of energy flowing through all living beings. Regardless of your beliefs, Angel Coin offers you the opportunity to align your investment with your ideas. Number 2, practical use. Practical use. Angel Coin has a clear plan to enable the purchase of spiritually focused products and services. By doing so, it supports not only investors but also a broader community that shares similar values. Number 3, limited supply. With only you can check here coins available over 12 years, Angel Coin is a rare and highly sought after asset. This limited supply enhances its value and appeal. Number 4, growth and future. In its early stages, Angel Coin will function primarily as a meme coin, attracting interest and building a community. However, our goal is its gradual evolution into a universal currency and payment method accepted not only within the spiritual community but also by the wider public. And like that you can see this, you can read the white paper of this project. So guys you can click this and see this white paper page is open. Introduction: Angel Coin, the world first cryptocurrency, a unique digital asset designed to embody and promote spiritual values within the digital economy. You can check here why invest in Angel Coin. You can see this pioneering concept, limited supply, transparent distribution, funders commitment. You can check here all detail. You can for more information and to participate in the upcoming token release. You can visit our official website. You can check here now, and next you can scroll down and see this tokenomics of this project Angel Queen. Token name Angel Queen, symbol Angel Queen, ENGC, blockchain BNB Smart Chain BP20, contract address. You can check here. Token release plan 12-year schedule. You can see this the total supply of Angel Queen token is of which 4,50,000 tokens will be gradually released into the market over 12-year period. You can check here release plan schedule. Year 1 to 3, 50% release at 37,500 tokens every 6 months. Year 4 to 6, 13% released, 22,500 tokens are every 6 months. Year 7 to 9, 15%, 67,500 tokens released at 11,250 tokens every 6 months. Year 10 to 12, 5%, 22,500 tokens released at 3,750 tokens every 6 months. So guys, you can check here the token release plan schedule in 12 years. You can check here. You can see this Angel token release plan. You can see this graph. You can check here price in 12 years. You can check here, and next guy you can check here Angel token distribution. You can check here DEX liquidity amount, and you can check here 2 lakh year 10 to 12 release 22,500, year 7 to 9 release 67,500, year 4 to 6 release 1,35,000. You can check here year 1 to 3 2,25,000 pre-sale. You can check here 13 lakh founder reserve 10,000, marketing and team 14,000. You can check here Angel token distribution graph. You can see this, and next guy you can check here addition allocations. The remaining 2,50,000 tokens are allocated as follows: marketing teams and partnerships, liquidity for DEX and CX, founder reserve. You can check here Alte. Next guy you can scroll down and see this pre-sale detail. Pre-sale period from January to March 2025. Token for sale, total token for sale. You can check here 13 lakh ANGC. Pricing structure. You can check here phase 1 price USDT 0.005, tokens available 15,000. Phase 2 USD price 0.014, tokens available 15,000. Phase 3 0.023 USD, tokens available 50,000. You can check here phase 4 price USD 0.032, tokens available 15,000 USD. You can check here phase 5 USD price 0.041, tokens available 50,000. Phase 6 token price USD 0.050, token available 50,000. And next you can check here how to buy Angel Queen token. Option 1, you can check here send payment directly. You can see this send the desired amount of BNB to the following smart contract address. You can check here. Next you can see this option 2, use our application. Click the button below to use our application for an easy and secure transaction. You can join pre-sale now. And next you can see this number 3, communication. You can send an email with the transaction hash and your wallet address to email info@angelcoin.org and telegram @angelscoin. And next you can see this, and next back to the home page and see this more detail about this project Angel Queen. And next you can join this project on following social media platform: Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, LinkedIn. So we go to this project Telegram group chat community. Guys, you can check here Angel Queen official Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this group and get information about this project. You can check here 140 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this Angel Queen official Twitter page. You can follow this. You can check here the first spiritual cryptocurrency. You can check here offshore website link. You can scroll down and see this all post about this project Angel Queen. You can check here important announcement, like and comment this post and retweet this post, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.